Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a DIY short haircut tutorial. So I've been experiencing postpartum hair loss, so I thought why not cut my hair short to give it more volume. I'm not exactly sure how short I'll go, maybe this short or this short, let's see. Before we start, let's get everything ready. You'll need a comb, a few rubber bands, a pair of scissors and a mirror. Make sure your hair is straightened before you cut them. I've already straightened mine. First, I'm going to comb through my hair to remove any knots. Now, let's start partitioning the hair properly. We'll begin by sectioning from the apex, the highest point of the head, and take it behind the ear. This will create two sections, one in the front and one in the back. I'll do the same on the other side. For the front sections, I'll first decide how short I want them. Then, I'll pull the hair towards my shoulder and secure it tightly with a rubber band. I'll do the same on the other side. For the back section, I'll comb it straight down and secure it where I want to cut. This part took me some time because I had to ensure that both rubber bands were perfectly aligned. You might need help here, but if you check carefully, you can manage it on your own. Okay, it's time to chop off the hair. Starting with the front, I'll leave about an inch below the rubber band and start cutting. Now I'll do a point cut to remove any harsh lines. Repeating the same on the other side. For the back section, I leave about 2 fingers of space below the rubber band and start cutting. I'll do the same on the other side. Oh my god, let's see how it looks. Not bad. I actually think I did a great job for my first time. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you'd ever try this and how you think I look with this new hair. Also, tell me what you want to see in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.